Hello, folks. I found this deal on Amazon. I'm going to do a short review on it, and then after I have the laptop for a while, I'm going to do a longer review. Anyway, regular price of this laptop is $1599.99. It's on sale for $599.99. It's Windows 11. It's a gaming PC. And see here, ACEMAGIC. It's a AX16 Pro. Like I said, it's a gaming laptop. I call it a PC still, but it is powered by AMD Ryzen 7. Its performance is powerful. Not only does it process faster to unleash gaming potential, but it can also handle multiple tasks at the same time. See what else it says here. This traditional laptop computer is designed with the metal shell that effectively resists pressure and shock, making it sturdy and durable. The 16.1-inch high-definition computer screen brings you a more comfortable use. The backlit keyboard has, I don't have my backlit on right now because it's daylight. You get Windows 7. It has 16 gigabytes DDR4 memory, 512 gigabytes of M2 NVMe SSD, which can respond to your command faster and store more of your files. Dual channel memory. Um, and you can upgrade the SSD to 2 TB if you like. You know, uh, if I ever need that much room, that's what I'll do. So it's upgradable, and it says here it has 53.58 watt hour long battery life. And somewhere I read on here that the battery lasts 8 hours. I doubt that myself, but we'll have to see. I'm going to do another review after I have it for a while. Let me click on more product details here. Yeah, it says here 8 hours battery life, but I don't think it does. It says in the menu that let the battery run down 4 times before uh, fully charging it, and then charge it 8 to 12 hours. I think it was, and they said it's supposed to make the battery last longer. So we'll see. Right now, I'm trying to let this thing run down. I'm at 33%, an hour and 28 minutes. I only used it a few times since I had it. But it's not a bad price. If you're a gamer, it may work for you. I'm not a gamer. It says here it has a TF card socket, a USB 2.0, a USB 3.2, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and on the other side it has a Type C DC jack for the power, and then you have the USB 3.2. Then you have a HDMI cable too. You also got a Type C full function. I guess that's the only Type C that's a full function. And this other Type C is for charging. And I wish I was a gamer and I can show more about that. Maybe I'll try to do some games on my next review on it. As a backlit keyboard, 53 watt hour battery, microphone speaker, and did I say I have Bluetooth? I think I did. The Wi-Fi on it is, let's see, where was that? think it's a Wi-Fi 6 on it, and then you got Bluetooth. Let me click on this again here. It says here, and I did buy the 4-year extended warranty on it too, just in case. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. But so far since I had it, it's been working. Well, it's new too, though, so it's not clogged up and stuff. And the thing about it also, it has no bloatware at all on it. When I first got this, it only had the recycle bin and the Microsoft Edge. Well, I don't use Microsoft Edge. I downloaded Google, my calculator, and Malwarebytes. And like name brand like HP and all them, Dell and stuff, you get bloatware for like, for McAfee and stuff. And I don't like that. And I use Malwarebytes. I got a free lifetime version on my desktop PC. And I'm doing a trial version on this one here. And I scanned it because there was rumors that, these things comes in with malware. Well, I scanned this and there was no malware detected anywhere on this thing. So I'm pretty pleased with it. No bloatware, no malware. And we have to see. So, like I said, if you'd like to check it out, there'll be a link down in the description box. This Malwarebytes, I'm not making any money from them. I might make something, if you clicked on the link, the Amazon link for the laptop. But other than that, so far I'm pleased with this. So stay tuned when I do an update on it. And if you have any comments, let me know. Any questions, I'll see if I can answer them. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Later.